Hi everyone, this video is going to explain how the OR bitwise operator works. So you can see there is a function here called result of OR, and this function takes two parameters, first number and second number, that we've passed as arguments when the function was called. The result of the function is captured into a variable called result, which is printed out to the user on screen. First number is equal to 2 and the second number is equal to 4. So when I run the program, we get the value 6. But how did this happen? Let's explore this further. So if I were to put a comment and I said the value of 2 is actually this value, and the value of 4 is 100 in the binary representation, and let's just be a little bit organized. Okay. The result of saying OR, okay, is if you've got both of them being 0, so that's going to be actually a 0. So false and false is false. True or false, if any of them is true, if any of these is 1, then it's going to be 1. And again, this is 0, false, 1, true. If any of these are true, let's just make this a bit bigger. If any of these are true or equal to 1, then we will have 1. So this will give us number 5, which is, number 6. Okay, and this is why we are getting this returned as the number of 6. So 2 or bitwise OR 4 is giving us the value of 6. I hope this helped you. Stay tuned for the next one, which is the end.